Hi guys, andito na kami kung saan yung video para sa pre-counseling namin ni fiancé ko, ni Dan. And guys, konti lang kami. Sobrang aga namin na gising din kasi before 7 kailangan nandito na kami. Sobrang hagal si Mamiling, kulang sa tulog. Alam niyo na, dahil din sa lindol. Sobrang lakas ng lindol guys. First time ko talaga yung naka-experience ng ganun lakas na lindol. Antok pa yan. Hindi pa yan okay. Alam niyo na yung feelings na parang matumba na yung building. Kasi wala din akong breakfast. So yan, kain lang ng bumili lang kami ng pagkain sa labas. Sa akin is puto. Sa partner ko naman is yung bread na may itlog. Yan lang yung breakfast. Pimples guys. Sobrang hagad ko talaga. Wala na ako naligo. Ayan. Habang naghintay sa speaker, kumain muna. Yung si Lian namin, si Mami Faith muna yung nagbantay sa kanya. Kasi parang half day kami guys. Seminar. Tapos na yung seminar namin. At nag-proceed na kami guys para sa requirements. Nag-apply na kami para sa marriage license. So, konting test. Mahabang proseso. Hey guys. I'm so tired. Kulang sa tulog kasi dahil sa lindol. Hindi na ako marunong dahil sa lindol kahapon. Kagabi pala. Sobrang pagod na ako. Hintay lang kami kay Lian dito. Hintay kami kay Lian. Daddy. Look at Lian. Nag-behave ka, Lian?
Yes.
Yes? Are you sure? Puro mang kapoy mo kay Kag, no? Nag-behave ka ni Tito Jens?
Yes.
Nag-play mo ni Tito Jens?
Yes.
Nasa man yung i-play?
Tatu, shung.
How about Mami Faith? Behave ka, Mami Faith?
Yes, Mommy sleeping.
Mami Faith is sleeping. And who's the one to take care of you?
Yes.
Tito Jens? And how about Kyle?
The cow going to bed. The cow is sleeping too.
Kyle also sleeping. And Mami Faith?
Yeah.
Speak English good, Lian. Alam niyo guys, mas magaling ba ito mag-English si Lian kaysa akin? So, Jens is good to you?
Yes.
You like him?
What?
You like Jens? He is good to you? Oh, you're so dirty. Oh, what's wrong with your... You look so sleepy, Lian. You're sleepy? You miss me or not?
I miss you.
How about Daddy?
I miss Daddy.
Kasi nag-seminar kami, nag-process sa lahat ng requirements.
Where's he going? Did he go to eat?
Me?
Did he go to eat?
No, he was in seminar after process or comments for the wedding. The wedding of your mommy and daddy. You are excited?
What?
You are excited for the wedding?
What?
What's that?
You started doing?
You're excited?
What?
Can you speak Bisaya, Lian?
What?
Can you speak Bisaya?
Yes.
Okay, speak Bisaya to me. Excited na ka mo sa mong kasal?
English.
No, speak Bisaya to me. Lian. Are you excited sa mong kasal ni Daddy? Ha? Tarong ba? Pag binisaya ba?
talking about?
Don't judge me.
Don't judge me.
You speak English good, huh? The pronunciation, huh?
Hmm?
You look so sleepy. I see your eyes.
Watch me.
Me too. I'm so tired. How about you?
I'm not tired.
You're not tired?
Yeah, I get brown. My eyes are brown.
You sleep last night?
Yes?
There's an earthquake, yeah?
Yeah, I hear it by ears.
Are you hearing ears even you're sleeping?
Yes?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh.
I didn't hear it. I was awake.
What's the sound?
It's like... It's like... It's like that.
Yeah?
It's poop.
So, you're done eating?
What?
What do you eat?
I eat like a bacon, like a rice, a hot dogs,
Yeah.
a chip chop, a rice.
Second Street.
Ah, Second Street.
Tapos, di po na San Antonio Village.
Dili, sulod na siya ng McDo. Bitaw ni sa ano?
Ah,
Ay, sulod na sa... Mutudlo na ko.
kananda ko nga building.
At bang sa Three Woods. Kang complex dyan.
Napasahiro ta na mo.
Ha?
Napasahiro ta na mo. Dito mo country mall sa Costco.
Stay City?
Gan ka. Nakainom doon pus bata.
Yeah.
Kaduwa na rin sa kainin.
Lian. Kuya, remember you.
What?
Remember you.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, number me.
He looks so sleepy and tired, Lian. Look at your eyes.
What?
Yeah. Me too, I'm so sleepy. I'm tired. No need to cook, we have food, sir. We have leftover. Lian. Do you love me?
What?
Bisaya ba?
What?
What's karon? Dia sulod ta dia.
Mommy, you love me, Mom?
Kumaon na. Bisaya siya na.
Kabro Bisaya. Bisaya banda juga ini din karon na English naman kay ni ay.
Kumaon ang Bisaya. Kaya katong minasakay na. Bilinero mo sakay sa kuha na.
Bisaya. Di, Bisaya pa jud siya. Karon naman ni nag-English ngayon na dugay ng Cebu. Kao pa ni yung daddy. Is English naman gyud. Yeah.
He prefers English.
Yeah. Bisaya akong pugso na pag binisaya Rilian Englishan gyapon ko.
Kaya kuha man mo na. Dabaon sa kami.
Mindanao, oo, Mindanao.
Tulay Mindanao. Kuha na yung sakay sa kuha.
Sleepy eyes. Also my eyes, oh, look, you see, I'm so haggard. Kuan pagabiin sa lindol. Nalipong pa.
Hindi mo nanganaog mo.
Oh, pag lindol kusog na pa sa taas, 8th floor. Nagdidilig ka na kay baka ang aftershock ba. You're so dirty, Lian. Look at your hands. Pasulot na tara. Look at those, so dirty.
Right.
Yeah, he knows. Because,
Yeah,
yeah. We ride this already before. And guys, lakad-lakad lang kami dito sa stairs kasi hindi pa pwede sa elevator. Oh boy, pamaol pa more. Sakit yung paa ko. This gym? I'm allowed here or not? Am I allowed here?
Why wouldn't you be allowed? You're allowed.
Gym. Let's go. I'm tired. Oh, nasa 8th floor kami. Okay.
I'm bored, Mom.
Huh?
I'm bored.
You are bored?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm bored. I'm bored looking at it. I'm bored looking.
I'm tired, Lian.
Mom, I'm bored looking on it.
Can you carry me?
What?
Carry me?
Carry mommy.
It's so heavy.
Sorry. Elevator temporary out of service. Kasi kailangan pang i-inspect guys before gamitin. Dahil alam nyo na, dahil sa earthquake kagabi. Ang lakas kaya dito sa Cebu. Cebu. Third floor. Oh my gosh. Kapagod. Leon. Leon! Carry mommy, please. What? I'm heavy? You don't love me. Just hug. Let's go na. It's okay, Leon. It's okay. Thank you. I love you too. What floor? 4. We need more 4 floor. Exercise? Napagod na ako. Paano na yung mga senior citizen dito? 39. 5. We're here in 5. More. How much? How about the senior, honey? How about the senior? How about Julio? Sorry for him. Grab. We'll do grab only. Yeah, no, here, Leon. Magagda na. We are 6, eh? Okay. Okay. Exercise dyan. One more, Leon. This 7. Oh my gosh. Hold yours there. Ah, napagod na ako. Come here, Leon. Ah. And guys. Hirap pag walang elevator. Paano? Ola, go. We're here. Guys, nandito na kami sa wakas. Ay, parang malipong ako. Nanan ako guys. Nahihilo. Leon, don't disturb us, please. Eh. We are so tired. Nawala nyo. Kasi, ito yung mukha. Nakulang sa tulog. Parang 3 hours, 2 hours na yung tulog ko. Alam niyo na, sa lindol. And agang gumising kasi yan before 7:30 dapat kailangan. Andoon na kami sa venue kung saan kami nag-seminar. Pre-marriage counseling. So, God is good. Thanks God kasi tapos na kami lahat guys. Tapos na kami nakapag-seminar, nakakuha kami ng certification lahat. Then, nakapag-file na kami guys. Nakapag-submit na kami lahat ng application for marriage. Yeah. So, waiting lang kami sa after 10 days. I-release pa. October 13 yeah, honey. The marriage license will come, yeah, October 13. So, dumating na matapos yung marriage license namin, guys. It's October 13 this month. So, within this month. So, after that, balik kami ulit doon para kunin yung marriage license, then pa-schedule naman kami sa Mayor City Hall. Pa-schedule para sa kasal. Yan na ilang last steps para wedding, para kasalan na. Pagod guys, grabe yung maraming requirements, pabalik-balik. So, finally, natapos namin sa araw na to. Yeah, rin si Lian. Yung bantay ni Lian is si Ate Faith. Then natulog pa sa Ate Faith yung doon, yung fiancé doon ni Ate Faith nagbantay ni Lian habang sila natulog. Pagkatapos naglaro si Lian kasama yun si yung driver. Nila rin ang ginawa namin ngayon. And guys, yan lang yung nangyari sa buhay. And guys, nakatakot talaga yung lindol kagabi. first time in my life talaga nagka-experience ng ganun na lakas ng lindol. Yung feelings na, yung, akala ko guys, mag-collapse na yung building na ito. Akala ko talaga, alam niyo yung ginawa ko? Nilapitan ko lang si Lian. Ano ba? In-hug ko. I-cover ko si Lian. Kasi matakot ako baka maano yung taas. Then, yung mirror namin, parang nagsayaw-sayaw na. Ganun. Nakakatakot talaga. Akala ko talaga maano yung building kasi parang nagrindo yan guys. Ba? Parang sumasayaw na yung building. Nakatakot. Parang nag-ano talaga ako. Nagpanic din. Yung mga lahat doon nagpanic. Bumaba sila. Steps yung iba naka-ano pa, naka-panty shirt, naka-panty shirt na boxer shirt bag na naka-sa baba. Wala ng tsinelas, nakadala ng unan. Tapos nagpanic sa nangyari. Iba, unexpected talaga yung lindol. Kaya, pag-pray natin na. Parang ang typhoon, mga ganun, may typhoon, mga, karon may ano pa, may paalala pa guys, bababala. Ganun nga, malaman natin. Pero yung earthquake, wala no, parang, ganyan talaga yung natural disaster. Kaya dapat ka lang laging handa. So, yan lang yung chika guys, kasi napagod na talaga ako, kailangan ko magpahinga matulog. Yan lang yung update sa buhay ni Mamiling, may fiancé and Lilian. Thanks God kasi, yan, finally, done na yung requirements, napasa na, so, legal, magka-legal marriage na si Mamiling. Charot. Ayan, kumusta kayo lahat yan guys, ingat lahat. God bless, yan lang yung chika-chika konti kasi pagod si Mami. Bye-bye!